Where does the name for Tower Hill come from? So today I'm on a hill in Conwy County just behind Abergele, and it's called in English Tower Hill, or in Welsh Bryn Tŵr, or originally Castell Cawr. So the English name Tower Hill is a direct translation of the Welsh name for it, Bryn Tŵr. Bryn being a hill and Tŵr being a tower, which is this tower behind me. But the original name for it was Castell Cawr. Gast is an overcorrection of the word ast, and it means a slope or a small hill. Means the, and Felin Wynt is a windmill. Felin being a mill, well, melin being a mill, and Gwynt being the word for wind, so a windmill. And it's named after this tower behind me. Now this tower behind me was built in the 17th century as a windmill, but there's indications that it may have been built on top of an older fortification built by Owain Gwynedd in the 6th century. So that's the meaning of Tower Hill. It's either Tower Hill, or it's the slope of the windmill. Anyway, diolch, thank you, subscribe for more. And if you want to help me on my quest, my pilgrim's quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.